In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Topstep to TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to click on Add Trade at the very top left, and then here you want to click on Add New Account at the top right. Now when you do this, you want to look for Topstep. So for me, as you can see, it's already listed over here. If it's for you as well, you can just click on it or search for it if it's not, and click on Topstep X. Press continue, and now you have three options. Now as you can see, auto sync right now is not available, so you can just help and make it available by just clicking here and clicking submit to actually help request that. And then the recommended option is the file upload, where of course you can upload the broker provided file with your trading history. So you can click on that, press continue, then select your time zone, and then here you can just basically upload the file. And as it says here, this will take less than 2 minutes. So that's the second thing you can do, of course, and here it's going to show you the exact details on how you can do this. So you have to log in, go to Trades tab, click on Export, save the file in CSV format, and then just click on Upload or drag and drop it in here. Now, when you've done that, of course, you'll be able to basically connect it, or you could also add manually, which if you want to add one by one, you can click on that. And of course, the benefit of that is that if you click on it, it's going to say that all the asset types are supported. But with file upload, it's only futures. So of course, it's up to you. Select the one you want, click on continue. If you do add manually here, it's going to require you to select your type, your symbol, and then you will basically have to type in and create a new execution. So if I do crypto over here, and if I, for example, go ahead and select something random over here, and then I can just click on create new execution, I could go ahead and set the date and time, numbers of contracts, etc., and then save trade, and this is basically going to connect Topstep to my TradeZella account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.